All right, for number 17, we have a fourth root. So we have to make sure that we break down numbers properly so that we can have some good numbers. Now for the fourth root, 64, is it 64 a fourth root? I don't think it's I don't think that is one, is it? The fourth root, I know 2 to the fourth power is 16. 3 to the fourth power is 81. So I would go ahead and look at this as 16 times 4, okay? Because 16 is power 2 to the fourth power. So that's nice, okay? And then I'm going to break down the x to the fifth power as x to the fourth times x. Y to the sixth, it's y to the fourth power and y squared. And this is z to the fourth power, okay? So we can break things down like this, and then fourth root of 16 becomes 2. Now the 4 stays. Fourth root of x to the fourth power becomes x. This x right here would stay. Fourth root of y to the fourth power, it's y. And this y squared would stay. And the z to the fourth root to the fourth root to the z to the fourth power is z, and that's almost it. Okay, well, sorry, that's almost it. But because we have an even root, we have to make sure that it qualifies for the even odd. Now, in this case, the x is not something that we have to worry about because that's not even. Y is even, but you still have the y right here. So that is not something that we have to worry about. So the other thing is that the z, even, odd. Okay, that's the z to the first power. So you only need to worry about the variables if it is completely being simplified and there's nothing left underneath the root. And if that fulfills the even odd criterion, then you put it a pair of absolute value sign. Okay, that's how we do it.